Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. Today is a very exciting one because we are doing a complete walkthrough on how to install and set up the brand new Lawnchair Launcher based on the Android 16 codebase. If you have been looking to refresh your device with that clean, stock Android aesthetic while keeping all the powerful customization options you love, you are in the right place. We're going to cover the installation process and then take a deep dive into every single setting that makes this launcher so special. Taking a look at the file here, this is the latest build optimized for Android 16. It has been refined for speed and fluidity, ensuring that animations are buttery smooth and battery usage remains low. It is a lightweight package, but don't let the file size fool you. It is absolutely packed with features that we're about to explore. To get this running on your phone, the process is very straightforward. Go ahead and download the APK from the link provided. Once the download finishes, tap on the file. You might see a system prompt asking for permission to install from unknown sources. Just go ahead and allow that. Tap Install, wait for the progress bar to complete, and then hit Open. Make sure to set it as your default launcher when prompted, so your new setup sticks. Now, let's explore what this launcher can actually do. Starting off in the general settings, you have some great quality of life options. You can enable home screen rotation if you use your phone in landscape mode, and there's even experimental support for the Google Sans Flex medium font to really nail that authentic look. You can also customize your icon style and shape to match your system theme. Moving on to the home screen setup, you have total control over your layout. You can define a custom grid size, for example a 4x7 grid, to fit more apps vertically. There's a handy toggle to lock the home screen so you don't accidentally move your icons around. You can also choose to hide the status bar for a more immersive look and adjust the icon size and labels to your preference. A standout feature here is the at-a-glance widget. You can toggle this to show right on your home screen. It is powered by Lawnchair and lets you select exactly what you want to see, including live weather updates, battery status, music information via Now Playing, and the current date and time. Let's look at the dock. You can style this area specifically by enabling a search bar or changing the background. You can also fine-tune the bottom padding to ensure it sits perfectly above your navigation bar, giving it a very polished look. For the app drawer, you have a few style options, including the default look or the beta Caddy style. You can manage hidden apps to keep things private, adjust the search bar settings, and even change the background opacity to something like 40% to let your wallpaper shine through. Finally, the Gestures section allows for serious productivity. You can set a double tap on the screen to sleep the device, which is incredibly useful. You can also customize what happens when you swipe up or down, such as opening the app drawer or pulling down the notification panel, making one-handed use a breeze. That is your full overview of the new Lawnchair Launcher for Android 16. It's clean, fast, and incredibly versatile. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.